you have a bigger one for Emma, please? Well done. Right. Lose that. And now we should have like a little bit of a... So what I'll do this time, we're going to add Yanis's face into this. Can you put your face in the frame? Look to me, please, Yanis. Peaceful, short, focus on the eye. So all I'm worried about now is just communicating with your sister and also thinking about again, and we're just creating some beautiful bouquet in the background. We've got a little bit of a pulse, and that's because them lights really low. Background wise, I don't think we're going to go with the red. I think we're going to come across this orange. That's orange-ish. It's totally orange, it's orange-ish. So, tilt that back a little bit, bring it behind the MG, just that we are using FLP4, which the depth of field is like this. It's highly accurate, and it's just a fantastic thing. I'm really impressed with the camera. I got this as a loaner last Friday, and I've used it over the weekend, and I absolutely love it.